Girl, let's talk about it. I'm in the closet because I have a 6-year-old now, so bear with me. But I just wanted to get these 5 reasons to you why I'm not going back to being a loose natural. Now, you can do what you want to. I hope this video helps you make a decision if you're wavering. You know what I'm saying? Stick around for number 1. Number 5, my hair is obviously thicker. When I would do a 2-strand twist with my natural hair, I wouldn't leave the house with it. Let's put it like that. But girl, these locks, I don't know the difference. I don't understand the difference, but I like the thickness of them. They're getting to be so much fuller. Like what I be trying to express in my comments is that my hair is only going up from here. My hair is gonna do nothing but get longer, get more beautiful. So I'm really enjoying these looks because I will have something to look forward to. But yeah, but my hair, you see it. Number 4, I am saving so much money. I have a box full of weaves, wigs, braids, like all that kind of stuff, crochet braids, like all that kind of stuff. Because I used to do my hair every week. And so, but now since I have been locked these 18 months, I have bought 3 products dedicated to my hair. Not counting shampoo. Or we can count shampoo and conditioner. That'll be, not conditioner, I don't condition mine yet, but 4. Let's talk about it. The lock spray I bought because the marketing got me and it said just for locks, and so I bought that. The organics, and I'll put them all up on the screen right here. The organics spray, I just bought that because I saw somebody spray it on their locks and I actually saw a shine. So I bought that, and then I bought some oil for my scalp. Now that I'm older now, you new people, don't you be putting oils and wetting your hair every day, all that kind of stuff. You gotta wait till you are, further along. When you in that new, y'all stay away from all this. But I haven't bought any weave for a year and a half, Those are the only products that I bought outside of shampoo. So, and if you really knew me, girl, I'm frugal. I don't spend money. I save my coins. You understand what I'm saying? So, reason number 4, these locks are here to stay. They're here to stay. So number 3 is my community, because I appreciate y'all so much. People comment, people encourage, people question, and it's like they don't even know how much I appreciate their engagement, but I do. So if you're a subscriber or you're thinking about subscribing, I greatly love for you to come along and watch this Microlocs journey continue, because I have no plans of going back. Just saying. Number 2, the time. Do you understand? I said I was gonna do a 1 minute, like all the videos I've done, all the hairstyles I've done and videos that has taken less than a minute. I need to do that. I really do, because it doesn't take, I can take my bonnet off and we're done for it. You know what I'm saying? Take my bonnet off, shake, depending on how it feels, spray a little water on there, and then I'm going on about my business. You understand what I'm saying? I'm going on about my business. So, and there's no more, having to, what do I have to do with my look? I ain't been away from natural that long. You have to gel down, make sure you still look, well for me, make sure I still look nice. I ain't do baby hairs and stuff, but make sure my hair was still laying down, I straighten up here and there to make sure I still look decent on up until Friday, especially if I was working out. My hair would do what it wanted to do sometimes. Having Microlocs has really saved me a lot of time. And the number 1 reason why I will not be going back to loose natural is because my hair is always done. Always done. On Saturdays, all I gotta do is take my bonnet off and go. And I don't have to walk around the house looking like who done it and what for. My poor husband went to tell you, find you somebody who love you unconditionally. Because back in them loose natural days, child, my hair be out over my head, full of gel, full of whatever, that type of situation. But I don't have to deal with it now. I do not have to deal with it now. And so I really enjoy this Microlocs journey. I really enjoy learning, you know, different ways to style my hair. I don't really take that much time to put an actual style in my hair, because when I go to bed, I like my hair to be loose on, like no tension. I like to have my bonnet on and you know, no tug of war of any kind. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope this encourages you if you're on the fence of locking your hair. If you locked your hair and you're over it, that's good. That's good too for you. You know, people have to live their own journey. But I thank you for your time. If you made it to the end of the video, feel free to drop me a red heart in the comments. That lets me know that you supported me to the end, and I appreciate you so much for that support. Feel free to check out any of my other videos in my playlist. Thank you for your time. Bye.